Look what we got in, guys. Vossen HF-5 in matte bronze. As you can see, it has this really cool texture effect to it, the finish. 20 by 11, has a good amount of concavity, as you can see. Look at that. This is actually gonna be going on the Supra that we just did an exhaust on. You guys might remember that from a previous vlog. Really cool finish if you're trying to go for something that's a little more aggressive and a little bit more rugged, because the texture effect really gives off that rugged look.
Moments later.
Hi guys, I'm Haywood. I am Haywood. Haywood is my name. Okay, cool. We just did Vossen on Supra, Vossen Supra, Supra Vossen. Yeah, and so you can concavity, fitment, sportiness, fitment, flush, fitment, sporty. This is the car we did satin guard on. Sporty, exhaust tip. My next mod I would recommend would be a big spoiler. Yeah.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
It's your boy, Tint! I'm taking Haywood's place right now. I'm gonna be shooting this MK5 Supra we just installed Vossen's on. Here's the owner. He's excited. Vossen HF5's on it. He's gonna go down the street, make a U-turn. Get